Before diving into launching your online business, it's essential to thoroughly understand your market. This involves conducting extensive research to identify your target audience, their needs, preferences, and purchasing behavior. Start by defining your niche and conducting market research to assess the demand for your products or services. Once you've identified your target market, create buyer personas to represent your ideal customers. This helps in personalizing your marketing efforts and tailoring your offerings to meet their specific needs. Analyze competitors within your niche to understand their strengths, weaknesses, and market positioning. Furthermore, use tools like Google Trends, industry reports, and social media insights to gather data about market trends and consumer behavior. This information will guide your product development, pricing strategy, and marketing campaigns. By gaining a deep understanding of your market, you'll be well equipped to position your online business effectively and attract the right customers from the start. Creating a solid business plan. A solid business plan serves as a roadmap for your online business, outlining your objectives, strategies, financial forecasts, and operational plans. Start by defining your business goals, both short-term and long-term, and articulate how you plan to achieve them. Conduct a SWOT analysis, strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, threats, to assess your business's internal capabilities and external market conditions. Identify your target audience, competitive advantages, and potential challenges you may encounter. Develop a detailed marketing plan that includes your product or service offerings, pricing strategy, distribution channels, and promotional tactics. Outline your sales projections and financial forecasts, including startup costs, revenue streams, and break-even analysis. Additionally, include an operational plan that details your business structure, staffing requirements, technology infrastructure, and legal considerations. If you're seeking funding or investment, provide a clear outline of how funds will be used and your expected return on investment. Your business plan should be comprehensive yet concise, providing a clear roadmap for launching and scaling your online business successfully. Building your online presence. Establishing a strong online presence is crucial for attracting and engaging potential customers. Start by creating a professional website that reflects your brand identity and showcases your products or services effectively. Ensure your website is user-friendly, mobile responsive, and optimized for search engines, SEO, to improve visibility. Utilize social media platforms strategically to connect with your target audience, build relationships, and drive traffic to your website. Develop a content strategy that includes valuable and relevant content, such as blog posts, videos, infographics, and customer testimonials. Implement email marketing campaigns to nurture leads, promote new products, and encourage repeat purchases. Collect customer data responsibly and use it to personalize your marketing efforts and improve customer retention. Engage with industry influencers and participate in online communities related to your niche to increase brand awareness and credibility. Monitor your online reputation and respond promptly to customer feedback and inquiries to maintain a positive brand image. By building a strong online presence across multiple channels, you'll enhance your brand visibility, attract more customers, and establish a foundation for long-term growth. Setting up e-commerce operations. Setting up efficient e-commerce operations is essential for delivering a seamless shopping experience to your customers. Choose a reliable e-commerce platform that aligns with your business needs and budget. Popular platforms include Shopify, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce, each offering different features such as inventory management, payment gateways, and customizable templates. Customize your online store to reflect your brand's aesthetic and ensure easy navigation for users. Optimize product pages with high-quality images, detailed descriptions, customer reviews, and clear pricing information to facilitate informed purchasing decisions. Integrate secure payment gateways such as PayPal, Stripe, or Square to offer multiple payment options and ensure transaction security. Implement a robust order management system to track orders, manage inventory levels, and streamline fulfillment processes. Provide transparent shipping options with clear delivery times and costs. Consider offering free shipping promotions or discounted rates to incentivize purchases and improve customer satisfaction. Continuously optimize your e-commerce operations based on customer feedback and analytics data. Monitor key performance indicators, KPIs, such as conversion rates, average order value, and customer retention rate to identify areas for improvement and growth. By setting up efficient e-commerce operations, you'll enhance the overall shopping experience for your customers and drive sustainable business growth. Marketing and promotion strategies. Implementing effective marketing and promotion strategies is essential for driving traffic to your online business and converting visitors into customers. Start by developing a comprehensive marketing plan that aligns with your business goals and target audience. Utilize search engine optimization, SEO techniques to improve your website's visibility in organic search results. Conduct keyword research to identify relevant keywords and phrases that potential customers are searching for. Optimize your website content, meta tags, and image alt text to improve SEO rankings. Leverage social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn to connect with your target audience, build brand awareness, and drive engagement. Develop a content calendar to plan and schedule posts that provide value to your audience, such as product updates, educational content, promotions, and customer testimonials. Implement paid advertising campaigns on platforms like Google Ads and social media ads to reach a broader audience and drive targeted traffic to your website. Set clear objectives for your ad campaigns, such as increasing website traffic, generating leads, or promoting specific products or promotions. Engage with influencers and industry experts within your niche to amplify your brand's reach and credibility. Collaborate on sponsored content, product reviews, or co-hosted events that resonate with your target audience. Measure and analyze the performance of your marketing efforts using analytics tools such as Google Analytics, Facebook Insights, or HubSpot. Track key metrics such as website traffic, conversion rates, return on ad spend, and customer acquisition cost, CAC, to optimize your marketing strategies and maximize ROI. By implementing a well-rounded marketing and promotion strategy, you'll attract qualified traffic to your online business, increase sales, and build a loyal customer base. Monitoring and adapting. Monitoring and adapting to market trends and customer preferences is crucial for the long-term success of your online business. Continuously monitor key performance indicators, KPIs, such as website traffic, conversion rates, average order value, and customer retention rate to gauge the effectiveness of your strategies. Use analytics tools and dashboards to gain actionable insights into customer behavior, sales trends, and marketing campaign performance. Identify patterns, strengths, and areas for improvement to make data-driven decisions. Stay informed about industry developments, market trends, and competitor activities to identify opportunities for innovation and differentiation. Attend industry conferences, webinars, and networking events to stay connected with industry experts and thought leaders. Solicit feedback from customers through surveys, reviews, and social media interactions to understand their needs, preferences, and pain points. Use this feedback to enhance your products or services, improve customer service, and optimize the overall customer experience. Remain agile and adaptable in response to changes in the market, technology advancements, or shifts in consumer behavior. Pivot your strategies, product offerings, or marketing tactics as needed to stay competitive and meet evolving customer demands. Foster a culture of continuous improvement within your team, encouraging creativity, collaboration, and innovation. Embrace experimentation and test new ideas, strategies, or technologies to uncover opportunities for growth and optimization. By monitoring market dynamics and customer feedback and adapting your strategies accordingly, you'll position your online business for sustainable growth and long-term success.